What's up, Guild members? Welcome back to Anime Tayo for episode 19 of Weekly Anime News. The second week of March has delivered an avalanche of spring premiere details, major licensing news, and some exciting sequel updates. Let's dive straight into the headlines. Kicking things off with some undated announcements, Animigo and Media OCD are bringing the classic anime film The Dagger of Kamui to Blu-ray on April 7th. In adaptation news, GM from the creator of Hinamatsuri is getting a TV anime. It follows a fearsome assassin who switches bodies with a girl. Needy streamer Overload dropped its new main visual and trailer ahead of its April 4th premiere from YoStar Pictures. The Food Diary of Miss Maid revealed a brand new key visual for its April 5th premiere from EMT, Squad and Magic Bus. The Isekai with the longest title ever, Goddess. What do you want to turn into when you're reincarnated in another world? Me into a Hero's Rib showed off a fresh key visual and trailer for its April 7th premiere from Kujira and SOK. G-Kids announced 4K remaster IMAX theatrical screenings for two Studio Ghibli classics. Whisper of the Heart on April 21st and The Secret World of Ariete on May 19th in North America. Ace of the Diamond Act 2 second season released a new trailer, added cast and main theme songs for its April 5th premiere from OLM. And the ongoing Wash It All Away TV anime dropped a beautiful new visual featuring Wakana and fireworks from Okuruto Noboru. March 11th kicked off strong. So what's wrong with getting reborn as a goblin? Got a full TV anime announcement for October 2026 with a teaser visual. Junket Bank is also getting a TV anime adaptation in October 2026 from Studio Q. Remo confirmed that Lear Game will stream on Crunchyroll and hold its world premiere at SakuraCon 2026. The Ramparts of Ice revealed its second trailer for its April 2nd premiere from Studio Kai. Awasi Season 2 dropped a teaser trailer and visual for its October 4th premiere from TMS Entertainment. And Feast of the North Star Hokuto no Ken released its second trailer with the opening Hallelujah by Alexandros for its April 10th premiere. On March 12th, we got a flood of spring updates. Hybera's Teenage New Game Plus shared its second trailer and key visual for its April 2nd premiere from Studio Comet. Snowball Earth dropped its main trailer and key visual for April 3rd from Studio KAI. Hardiv licensed 3 Hues Spring 2026 titles Yawa Sensei, The Most Heretical Last Boss Queen Season 2 and Farming Life in Another World Season 2. The Most Heretical Last Boss Queen Season 2 revealed its second trailer spotlighting the opening theme for its April 7th premiere from OLM team Yoshioka. And Monster Eater dropped a new teaser trailer highlighting the opening song for its April 2nd premiere from Imagica Infos and Imageworks Studio. Wrapping up the week on March 13th, we have a final burst of announcements. Shiboyugi playing death games to put food on the table released a new visual of Yuki ahead of its final episode. Rent-a-Girlfriend Season 5 showed off a brand new key visual and main trailer for its April 10th premiere from TMS Entertainment. Liar Game revealed its stunning new key visual for its April 6th or 7th premiere from Madhouse. Within the Villainess dropped a new teaser visual and trailer for its 2027 premiere from Roll 2. Multimind Mayhem got a full TV anime adaptation announcement with Bart Cornelius voiced by Yusuke Kobayashi, and Ore 2 U Ni E revealed its new teaser, visual and LED cast. And that, Guild members, was another packed week of anime news. From Fist of the North Star's new trailer and Rent-a-Girlfriend Season 5's main visual to Liar Game hitting Crunchyroll and a flood of April premiere dates, Spring 2026 is shaping up to be absolutely massive. What's your top takeaway? Are you hyped for Rent-a-Girlfriend Season 5? Excited for Liar Game on Crunchyroll? Or planning to catch those Ghibli IMAX screenings? Let me know in the comments below. If you want to stay on top of every announcement as it breaks, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your passion burning bright. This is Anime Tayo signing off.